Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. Today we are discussing the topic section number 4.7 application of modulo arithmetic. This is the topic from the course Mathematics for IT, chapter 4, last topic, 4.7 application of modulo arithmetic. Okay, so this chapter mainly we are discussing one small application by using the modular arithmetic is crypto system based modular arithmetic. Okay, crypto system based on modular arithmetic. Okay, where the modular arithmetic we are using in cryptography some topic. Okay, so let's start the topic. So before starting we will see what are the basics in the cryptography. Okay, so cryptography, before going to study cryptography, Cryptology, this is the main branch. Cryptology means it is the study of codes, both creating and solving them. How to create the codes, and using the code, how to solve the various problems using the codes. Okay, so it is the study of codes, both creating and solving them. Okay, so that branch we are calling cryptology. Now cryptology we are dividing into two. One we are calling cryptography, and second one we are calling cryptanalysis. Okay, so cryptography means it is the study of methods mathematically for sending secret messages or sensitive information across insecure networks, so that it cannot be read anyone except the intended recipient. Okay, so you understood, I hope, the meaning. Very simply we can tell sending secret messages or sensitive informations. Okay, so we need to send some sensitive information or secret message to someone, okay, by secure way. Okay, so that it cannot be read anybody except that recipient. Okay, so that is what we are calling cryptography. Now just the opposite of cryptography, for example, cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis means analyzing and breaking the secure network, secure communication. So we can say breaking the secure communication, or simply we can hack. Correct, hacking. So someone knows more code. Okay, how to break, somebody knows means he can break the communication. Correct, analyzing and breaking the communication, that is we are calling cryptanalysis or breaking the cryptography. Okay, cryptography means we are sending the information in secure way. Okay, insensitive information or secret message by secure way, so that the recipient only can read the message. But opposite of that one, that means breaking the cryptography, breaking that communication. Correct, secure communication, that is what we are calling cryptanalysis. Now we will concentrate more here cryptography topics. So we can see what is cryptography. Cryptography we have two part. One we are calling encryption, and second one we are calling decryption. Encryption or enciphering. Okay, encryption, or we can say enciphering, and decryption or deciphering. So what is the meaning encryption? You can see the process of transferring the plain text. Plain text means the original message or clear message to the cipher text. Okay, encoded message. Okay, in a way that it cannot read but by the intended recipient only. Okay, so this is we are calling encryption or enciphering. Now opposite of this one, encryption, that is we are calling decryption. That means the process of putting back. Okay, the process of putting back the cipher text into the plain text. Okay, so that means the decryption is the inverse process of encryption. Okay, whatever we did in encryption, just a reverse, inverse process we are calling encryption. So what we understood from this, I hope. Okay, we have one plain text. Okay, we have plain text. Plain text means the original message. Okay, clear message, and we have the cipher text or encoded message. Okay, cipher text we have the plain text, and we have the cipher text. Okay, now what is this encryption and decryption? We can see encryption means we have a plain text. For example, The plain text means the original message. Okay, I'm just noting here original message or clear message. Okay, and this is the cipher text or encoded message, okay, or cipher text. For example, for understanding plain text, for example, I am choosing how are you. Okay, this is the plain text or original message. Okay, now for example, I am encoded message or cipher text. It is like I am using some symbol here. Okay, for example, we can say some notation here. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, just for understanding. So here some notation is there. Okay, so plain text, what is the meaning? Encryption, we are told encryption means just transferring plain text into the cipher text. This is we are calling encryption. Okay, encryption or encoding. Okay, plain text to the cipher text. Now plain text usually we are representing P letter. When we are doing question, P letter we are using, and cipher text we are using the notation f of p notation. Okay, just careful notations, P and f of p. Okay, now so plain text to cipher text, this is what we are calling the encryption part. Now from the encoded message we need to return back the original message, correct? How are you? That means that process we are calling decryption. That means the inverse process of encryption we are calling decryption. So this is what the idea here we are discussed. The process of transferring plain text into cipher text we are calling encryption or enciphering, and the inverse of the encryption, that means the process of putting back cipher text into the plain text, we are calling decryption or deciphering. So you can just understood from here, and just remember the notation. Plain text we are representing by P, and coded message cipher text, okay, that we are representing by using f of p. So you can clear like this: encryption, in encryption part and decryption part. Okay, encryption part and decryption part. For question doing purpose I am telling. Okay, in encryption part what we need to calculate? We need to calculate what is f of p, correct? F of p equal to that. Okay, because I told you the representation here. Encryption means plain text to cipher text. Cipher text we are representing f of p. So f of p we need to calculate. But in decryption means what we need to calculate? P we need to calculate. Okay, that means the plain text. Okay, plain text we need to calculate. And encryption part P is giving. Okay, this is giving, this one is giving, and we need to calculate f of p, correct? Now in decryption, f of p is giving. F of p is giving. When we are doing one question, you will be more clear. And we need to calculate what is f of p, p value in decryption part. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the meaning. Encryption and decryption part. You can see this picture for better understanding, especially for IT students, they can understood more from here. So we have a sender here, this one is the recipient. So in between, what are the process doing? First we have plain text. Plain text we are changing into cipher text, correct? So plain text we are changing into cipher text, that is we are calling encryption, correct? So encryption we are using a key, public key will be here. See, we are creating a key, using that key we are changing into cipher text. Now cipher text to plain text, that we are calling decryption, decryption part. So anybody having that key, he can return that message, original message. So the recipient get it, the original message after decryption, correct? After decryption. So this is the process doing in cryptography. Okay, encryption and decryption part. Okay, now we will go to the detail one, how to do this encryption and decryption by using different cipher. Some basic cipher only here we are discussing, not much deep. Okay, especially when we are going to the specialization, okay, security, specialization, all they will study more the cipher there. Okay, now for basic understanding we will study mainly this section three types of three ciphers. One is Caesar cipher, second one is the generalization of Caesar cipher or shift cipher, and third one is the affine cipher or affine transformation. Okay, so here this section 4.7 we are mainly concentrating some basic cipher. Okay, one, as I told you, we have Caesar cipher. Okay, and the second one we are studying generalization of Caesar cipher, or we can say shift cipher. Okay, and the third one affine transformation or affine cipher. Okay, affine cipher or affine transformation. So these are the mainly we are studying the cipher here for encryption and decryption. And once again remember what is the meaning of encryption and decryption when we are doing question especially. So we are getting plain text, okay, we are calling P, and we have cipher text, we are representing f of P. So changing plain text to cipher text, this is what we are calling encryption. Okay, and return back inverse process f of P to P we are calling decryption, correct, decryption part. Okay, now first we will go to the first cipher, that is we are calling Caesar cipher. Okay, you can see Caesar cipher. So before starting Caesar cipher, you can see the basic English alphabet. See, starting from 0 to 25 how we are numbering. A alphabet means 0 and ending Z alphabet means 25, because totally we have 26 English alphabet. So starting from the number 0 up to 25, 0 to 25 means 26 number. Okay, so A number is 0, B number is 1, C number 2, like X number is 23, Y number is 24, and Z number is 25. Okay, just to remember that one. Now Caesar cipher for encryption part. Okay, all of you clear? Encryption part, f of P equal to, encryption means we need to calculate what is f of P, correct? So f of P equal to, what is the rule is P plus 3 mod 26. P means the plain text number plus 3, plain text number plus 3 mod 26. Okay, mod 26 means we are considered the 26 English alphabet. Okay, so P means plain text number, add 3 mod 26. Now the decryption part, you can see decryption means we are finding P, the plain text. What is the rule here? F of P minus 23, reverse process it is, correct? So that is why f of P value, that means the cipher text number minus 3, because it is inverse process, mod 26. Okay, so this is the idea of Caesar cipher for encryption and decryption part. Okay, so careful these two, especially the notations. Encryption, okay, encryption part and decryption part in Caesar cipher. So encryption means f of P equals P number plus 3, okay, mod 26. Okay, so this P number we are calling the plain text. Okay, plain text number. Okay, plain text number, that means this English alphabet numbers, for example A means 0, B means 1, that number. Okay, and 3, this number. Okay, this 3 number we are calling key of the Caesar cipher. Only one key, that is fixed number in Caesar cipher, that is number 3. Okay, so careful, this 3 number we are calling the key of the Caesar cipher, it is fixed. Okay, mod 26. 26 means we have totally 26 English alphabet. Okay, starting from 0 to 25. Now decryption part, I told you plain text we need to calculate. What is the rule? F of P minus 3. Okay, f of P minus 3 mod 26. Now f of P means the cipher text number. Okay, cipher text number minus 3, 3 number means the key number, correct? Key number minus 3 means it is reverse process. So minus 3 mod 26. 26 means 26 English alphabet here. So mod 26. So this is the Caesar cipher encryption and decryption part. Okay, now let's see some example. After that we will do some questions also. So first we will consider some examples here. Okay, for example, use Cipher cipher. Use Cipher cipher to encrypt the message meeting at the zoo. Okay, meeting at the zoo. So encryption, so you can underline this word encryption. Encryption means we need to calculate what is f of p, that means the coded message, encoded message. So we have two part in the table, one is the p part and the second one is the f of p part, because here f of p is asked. So starting from p, plain text is given, meeting at the zoo. So we are writing the letter like a table, so easy to understand, meeting at the zoo. So replace the letters with the numbers. For example, m means what is the number? 12. E means what is the number? 4. Okay, I'm just telling one or two numbers. Later numbers you can, okay, you can discuss, you can prepare accordingly. For example, m means the number is 12. E means the number is 4. Okay, so replacing the letters with the numbers, that is the first part we are doing. After that, we are using the transformation. In Cipher cipher, what is the encryption transformation? P plus 3 mod 26, correct? P plus 3 mod 26, correct? Now, first number, P number is 12. You can see P number here, it is 12. This number is 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 means 15. Okay, if it is coming more than 25, we need to take mod 26. Mod 26. Okay, 26 or above. 26 or above means take mod 26. I will tell you later that one. So 15. So 15 we are getting. So that number we are writing here. After the transformation, Cipher cipher encryption, we will get 15. Now second number is 4. So we can write 4. Plain text number is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 means 7. So we wrote here 7. 15, 7, like that all the numbers we can discuss here. Now 15 means what is the letter? P. 7 means what is the letter? H. Okay, so like all the letter we can convert. So P, H, H, W, L, Q, J, D, W, W, K, H, C, R, R. This is the encoded message or cipher text. Okay, from the meeting at the zoo, that plain text we are converted into the cipher text. Okay, so we have two part, one P part. P part means the plain text part, and f of p means the cipher text part. Okay, here the question is cipher text, we need to evaluate. So f of p we are discussed here like this. So I hope you understood the question, how to calculate this. Now here see, for example, this number, I will show one number for your understanding. For example, z means 25, correct? So how to transfer that one? 25 plus, okay, 25 plus p plus 3, 25 plus 3, that means it is equal to 28. Okay, so once you go to more than 26 or more than 26, so how you do this one? We have here 28, so correct? So we need to do 28 mod 26. Okay, because it is more than 26 or more than 26. So easier method, one shortcut method I will tell you how to find 28 mod 26. Okay, I will show here 28 mod 26. Okay, to find this one we have two method. One is the shortcut, okay, shortcut method, and second one is the actual way. Okay, method 2 I am writing the actual way. That means we are studied in 4.2 section how we are finding that one. Actually mode means, what is the meaning mode? Mode means the remainder. We need to calculate the remainder. Now what is the shortcut method is this number 28 minus this number. Okay, 28 minus 26, like this, 28 minus 26. So what will be the number? You will get equal to 2, correct? So that number we can write here. See, 26 minus 28 minus 26 is 2. So 2 means the letter is C. Because why we are changing mode 28? Because we have letters only up to 25, correct? 0 means A and 25 means Z, correct? 0 means A and 25 means Z letter, correct? After 26, 27 means we need to write the same letters. So that is why we are taking mode 26. So this is the shortcut way. Now if you want to do actual way, how we are doing? 28 divided by 26. Okay, you remember this method before? 28 divided by 26. So what is 28 by 26 from calculator? 1.0769, like this. So what will be the quotient? Quotient means, you know what is the quotient number? Quotient number means this number 1, and check what is the remainder value. How can we calculate remainder? This number, opposite of the quotient, 1 opposite is -1, multiply the divisor number 26. Multiply the divisor number 26, so that you will get the same answer, remainder equal to 2. So this answer means equal to 2. Remainder value equal to 2. I hope you understood the shortcut method and the original method. So when we are practicing questions, one of the method you can use, okay, but shortcut method, it will not work if it is bigger number. Here it is 28. For example, 1000 means it will not work, because 1000 minus 26, again you need to subtract, correct? Number should be less than 26. So it will not work if it is bigger number. But this method too will work in any number. This is the actual way, okay? So depends on, you can do the questions. Okay, now we will go to one example, decryption part. Example 2, use the Caesar cipher, decrypt, LDPILQH. So decrypt this message. What is the meaning decrypt? We need to calculate the plain text, correct? Original message. So first we are doing f of p part. P part we need to calculate. P equal to how much, correct? Plain text. F of p is given. Coded message is given. LDPILQH. So L means the letter is 11. Okay, then what is the Caesar cipher decryption part? F of p minus 3, correct? F of p minus 3. We need to memorize this one. F of p minus 3 mod 26. So first one is 11. 11 minus 3, that means 8. Okay, you will get 8 here. 8 means letter I. Now second one is 3, letter is 3. So 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 means what is the number? 0. So 0 here. 0 means letter A. Now next one is 15. 15 minus 3, 12. M. So like I am fine. You are getting I am fine. So that is the answer here getting. I hope you understood. Okay. Now here also when we are doing question. Okay. For example, see f of p minus 3 mod 26. Correct. F of p minus 3 mod 26. For example, f of p I am taken number 2. Okay. Number 2. So 2 minus 3. Mod 26. What is 2 minus 3? Minus 1. So minus 1 mod 26. Okay, some cases it will come like minus number. Minus 1 mod 26. So this case there is no minus number, correct? Minus 3 it is not there in our number A, B, C, D 0 to 25 only, correct? So if it is coming minus number, how can we calculate this one? Here also we can use the shortcut and the original method, shortcut method or method 2, okay, original way. For example, how we are working shortcut method is this number, see here minus number plus this number, minus number plus, okay, adding, not subtracting, adding. So we can write minus 1 plus 26, okay. So you will get the letter, okay, minus 1 plus 26. So you will get 25, correct? Minus 1 plus 26 equal to 25. So this is the number. Okay, and always these all things you remember, mod means nothing, it is remainder. Okay, remainder equal to. Now what is the actual method? Minus 1 divided by 26. Okay, minus number minus 1 divided by 26. So you will get from the calculator like minus 0.03846, like that it is continuing, correct? Now how to calculate the remainder, you know, from this, especially the minus number, very careful. So what is the quotient here? Quotient equal, because here the number, this number is negative number. You remember in 4.2 section we are studied, if number is negative, what is the quotient? This number here it is 0. 0, you need to subtract 1, correct? 0 minus 1. So minus 1. Minus 1 is the quotient. What will be the remainder? Remainder as usual, this number, opposite of the quotient, minus 1 opposite plus 1, multiply the divisor number 26. Okay, multiply the divisor number 26. So careful, opposite of the quotient, that means plus 1 multiply 26. You will get the same number, it is equal to 25. Okay, so this one we are in detail we are studied in 4.2 section. So just for understanding, I did one example here. So prepare more from 4.2 section. Okay, how to find the mode in negative number case and positive number case. Okay, now we will go to one question. First question, encrypt the message. Section exercise 4.7. First question, encrypt the message. Encrypt means we need to calculate what is f of p, encoded message, correct? F of p. So what I am doing now, in the table here we need f of p, because the cipher text we need to calculate. F of p means cipher text. Okay, now what is given? P is given, plain text. Okay, p means plain text is given. We need to calculate the cipher text. So first I am writing the plain text. What is the plain text is given here? Plain, P L A Y I N G, plain. Okay, so first write the letters one by one, plain. Now change these letters into the numbers. Okay, English alphabet change into the numbers as I discussed in the table before. For example, P means 15, L means 11, A means 0, Y means 24, and I means 8, N means 13, G means 6. Okay, now what is the transformation, the encryption transformation here in the question? F of p, how to calculate? F of p equals p plus 3 mod 26. Okay, mod 26. So I will show on the side also, p plus 3. Okay, this is the transformation, p plus 3. So what is the first p number? Plain text number. First plain text number is 15. So 15 plus 3. What is 15 plus 3? 18. So we can write here 18. Now next one is 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Correct? Equal 14. Then 0 plus 3, 3. Now 24 plus 3. Okay, careful. 20 plus 4 plus 3 means 27. Correct? Here we need to take the mode number. Correct? 27 mod 26. Okay, so I told you already the shortcut method. What we do? 27 minus 26. Correct? Subtract 27 minus 26. So what we will get? 27 minus 26 equal 1. I hope you understood. So here careful, it is 1. Now 8 plus 3. Okay, that is 11. 13 plus 3, 16. 6 plus 3, 9. Now we need to calculate 18. 18 means what is the letter? S. 14 means O. 3 means D letter. And 1 means B. 11 means L. And 16 means Q. And 9 means J letter. Okay, so what is the cipher text or F of P or encoded message? You can see SODBLQJ. So that is the encryption part here, this question. So I hope you understood this question. Only remember this one, big more than 26 coming means how we are changing. So as I told you, either you can use the shortcut, or as I told you, normal way also you can do 27 divided by 26. Then you can calculate the remainder also that way. Okay, now one question we will do from decryption part. Decrypt the message. Okay, decrypt means we need to calculate the plain text. P equal to decrypt the message. So I am writing here, we need to calculate P, that means the plain text. Okay, and what is given? Encoded message, cipher text is given. Correct? Cipher text is given. We need to calculate the plain text. Now what is the cipher text given? Encrypt by using Caesar cipher KHOOR. Okay, so this one we need to change, plain text. Okay, KHOOR. Now K means what is the letter change into the numbers. Okay, as we discussed in that table, K means number 10, H means number 7, O means 14, again O means 14, R means 17. Now write the decryption rule on the middle. What is the rule for decryption we are studied in Caesar cipher? P equals F of P minus 3 mod 26. Correct? Mod 26. Key is fixed in Caesar cipher as I told you, 3. So F of P minus 3. Okay, mode 26. Calculation all do on the side. Okay, don't do in the table only write the numbers. Okay, now we will go to the calculation. First number is 10. F of p number is 10. F of p number. So 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? 7. So we can write 7 here. Now next one, 7 minus 3. That means 4. I can write 4 here. Now next 14 minus 3. What is 14 minus 3? 11. Can write here. Again 11 because 14 minus 3. Now next one is 17 minus 3. That means 14. So we can write 14 here. Okay. So now 7 letter we can convert into the text. Okay. 7 means which is the letter H. 4 means E. 11 means L. And 14 means O. So what is the message here? Plain text hello. Hello is the plain text. So I hope you understood that one, how to do this question. And here also when we are subtracting negative number coming possibility, very careful. Okay, but here no problem. Later questions we will discuss that one. So I hope you understood how we are doing encryption and decryption by using Caesar cipher. Okay, now we need to discuss next cipher, that is the generalization of Caesar cipher or shift cipher. Generalization of the Caesar cipher or shift cipher. Now we can see, okay, as usual, first table same only. A means number 0 and Z means number 25. Okay, as usual. Now what is the encryption part and decryption part in shift cipher or generalization of Caesar cipher? Okay, generalized Caesar cipher or shift cipher. You can see. So encryption part, f of p equal to, encryption means we need to calculate f of p, p plus k mod 26. P plus k, this k number we are calling key number. Okay, here key number you can take any number. In Caesar cipher only it is fixed, correct? It is only 3. But here k number we can take the another integer numbers also. We are choosing that one. Okay, so security wise better than Caesar cipher this one. Okay, because Caesar cipher everybody knows the key number 3. So easily we can broke the communication, correct? But here k number is we can take other number also. We can fix it with our integer number. Okay, so p plus k mod 26. Now decryption means p value f of p minus k mod 26. F of p minus k, that key number mod 26. Okay, so what is the difference? You understood, I hope. In Caesar cipher key number is 3. It is fixed, correct? Caesar cipher, this is key number is fixed. Now here key number is not fixed. We can give the integer number, other integer numbers also, so that p plus k mod 26. Okay, so it is, that is why it is calling generalized Caesar cipher or shift cipher we are calling. Okay, shift means this number, this key number, that is the shift number. Okay, p plus k, p plus 4, p plus 5, p plus 6, that is the shift, that key number. Okay, that is why this cipher we are calling shift cipher. Okay, let's start one example so that you can understood more. Example 3, stop pollution. Encrypt. Encrypt means we need to calculate f of p. F of p we need to calculate stop pollution. Okay, by using the transformation f of p equal to p plus 21. See the key number 21 here. Okay, not 3. 3 means, okay, nothing to think, it is Caesar cipher. But other than 3 means it is shift cipher or generalized Caesar cipher. You can understood like that. So p plus 21 mod 26. Okay, for example, stop pollution. So starting with the letter S. S means number 18. Okay, now p plus 21. That is our cipher, p plus 21. Plain text number plus 21. That means 18 plus 21. Correct? You can check the calculator what is 18 plus 21. You will get 39 equal to 39. Because 39 we don't have number. So what we need to do? 39 mod 26. We don't have letter 39. So we need to change into mod 26. So 39 mod 26 means, as I told you, easier way you can choose this number minus this number. 39 minus 26. Correct? 39 minus 26 means 13. 39 minus 26 equal to 13. So we will get the number 13. See, this is the number here 13. 13 means the letter is N. Like that, all the number you can change. Okay, all the number we can change. So you will get the cipher text like this. Okay, stop pollution. Now another example, decryption part 1 example is here. You can see same message. Okay, same message I am returned back, translating back to the letters. Okay, so I am just started from this N O J K, this letter, see N O J K K J, all the letter. Okay, you can see later all the numbers. Just I am discussing the one letter. Okay, so that when we are doing question it will be easier. Okay, so N is the first letter. First letter is N, that is 13. Correct? N letter is 13. Now, what is the inverse part or decryption part? F of P minus 21. Correct? I can write here F of P minus, our key number is 21. What is F of P value? 13. Cipher text value minus 21. Okay, now as I told you, you can check the number 13 minus 21 in your calculator, you will get minus 8. Minus 8. So minus number means we need to take mode 26. Correct? Because 0 to 25 only we have letters. Here we are considering. So minus 8 to mode 26. Now how to change minus 8? You can use the shortcut. Add these two numbers. Minus number means add. Okay. So minus 8 plus 26. Okay. Minus 8 plus 26. That is the answer here. You are getting 18. Equal to 18. So that is the number here, 18. 18 means S letter. Same like all the letter, when we are changing, you will get the same message, stop pollution. Okay, this is the inverse part or decryption part. Okay, I hope you understood the idea. Okay, and we keep in our mind this conversion. Shortcut is using for small number only. Otherwise, normal method, whatever we discussed in 4.2, same way you can use. Okay, let us start some example so that you will understood more. Exercise 4.7, question number 3. 1 and 2 we did already in Caesar cipher. Now question 3, encrypt the message. Just underline the word encrypt. Encrypt means we need to calculate F of P. So I am using the table here, F of P. Here is the answer part. Cipher text we need to calculate. Plain text is given, P is given. Correct? Plain text is given. So now go to the question. Encrypt the message football. Correct? So F O O T B A L L, football. Correct? By using the function F of P equal P plus 13 mod 26. P plus 13 mod 26. So F of P rule I am writing on the middle. F of P equal P plus 13 mod 26. Okay, so what is the key number here? Key number is 13, this number. Okay, this is the key number. Key number. So 13 means it is shift cipher, because 3 means Caesar cipher. Other than 3 means it is shift cipher or generalized Caesar cipher. Okay, sometimes this word shift cipher will not be there in the question. So you can understood like this. 3 means it is Caesar cipher. Other numbers means it is shift cipher, because here we are only studying 3 ciphers. Okay, now let's start this one. F. F means what is the letter? 5. Number is 5. O means 14. Again O means 14. T means 19. B means 1. A means 0. L means 11. Correct? Now write the transformation on this side. P plus 13 mod 26. Okay. Plain text number. Plain text number is 5. So 5 plus 13, 18. Correct? So I can write the first number here, 18. Now next number 14. 14 plus 13. Correct? So you need to check 14 plus 13 means 27. But 27 means what we need to take? We need to take mode. Correct? So we need to write like 27 mod 26. So what I told easier way, this number subtract this number, 27 minus 26. So 27 minus 26 means it is equal to 1. So I can write here the number 1. Next also number is 14. So 1 you will get. Next is 19. So 19 plus 13, it is 32. I will show next page. 19 plus 13, it is equal to 32, correct? 32 mod 26 we need to take, correct? So what I did, 32 number minus 26 number, correct? You will get equal to 6, okay? So I can write here equal to 6. Now next number is 1. 1 plus 13, 14. Next 0. 0 plus 13, 13. 11 plus 13, 24. 24. Correct? Now change into the letters so that you will get the answer. 18 means alphabet is S. 1 means B. 1 means B. 6 means G. And 14 means O. 13 means N, 24 is Y and Y. SBBGONYY. That is the encryption part or encoded message or cipher text. I hope you understood this question. Now, same way we will do one decryption question from shift cipher. You can see the question now. Decrypt the message. Decrypt means we need to calculate the plain text value. So I am marking here plain text P. Plain text, okay? F of P is given, cipher text is given, encoded message is given, correct? Cipher text. So our question is decrypt the message that encrypted using shift cipher F of P equal to P plus 10 mod 26, okay? Question is decryption. Okay, decryption, very careful. P value we need to write. That means we need to write the rule here, P rule. Okay, not F of P rule, P rule. Because our question is P, plain text, how to calculate. That encrypted using this say shift cipher. Encryption part we are used this rule. What is the key number here? 10, correct? Key number K equal to 10. It is already there in question. P plus 10 mod 26. But this is for encryption. Okay, F of P for encryption. But our question is decryption. Very careful. So what is the rule for decryption in shift cipher? P equals, P equals F of P minus K. Correct? F of P minus K mod 26. So like this question, read the question 1 or 2 times. Because encryption rule is given, question is decryption. Okay, so how to write the rule? Plain text equals F of P value minus K number. K number in our question is 10 mod 26. Okay, K number is 10 in our question, mod 26. I hope you understood this one. Okay, mod 26. Now this rule we need to use for the decryption. So I am writing here F of P equal F of P minus 10 mod 26. Now start from the question. What is the message here? Y, W, K, X, S. Okay. Now Y means what is the letter? Number 24. W 22. K means 10. X means 23. S means 18. Okay. Now first F of P minus 10. F of P, first F of P number 24 minus 10. 24 minus 10 means 14. So we can write 14 here. Second number 22 minus 10. 12. We can write it 12 here. Third one 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. We can write 0 here. Now 23. 23 minus 10. It is 13. We can write 13 here. Now 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10 means 8. We can write 8 here. Now we can change the numbers into letter. 14 means O. 12 means M. O, 0 means A. 13 means N. 8 means I. Omani. Okay. So Omani, that is the decryption part by using shift cipher. So I hope you understood shift cipher, how to do encryption and decryption part. Okay. So so far we have studied 2 cipher. One is the Cipher cipher and the second one is the shift cipher. Okay. Now we will go to the third cipher, affine cipher. So In Caesar cipher and shift cipher, we have only one key, correct? Caesar cipher, I can write here Caesar cipher and shift cipher. So far we are discussed these two. Caesar cipher, only one key. What is the key number? 3. But in shift cipher, key number we can change, correct? We can fix it. K is, but only one key. Both cipher, only one key is defined. So from the view of security, Caesar cipher easily broken because only one key, correct? If you know that one key, this communication will break easily, okay? Anybody can read the message easily. So to enhance the cipher, a modification has been introduced using affine transformation, okay? So we are just little bit secure way, we are defining another cipher, that is we are calling affine cipher. In affine cipher, we have two keys, okay? Here we have two keys. So communication is more secure. We are calling is A and B, okay? Two keys we are defining. So how to go define that one? You can see affine transformation or affine cipher. So encryption part, f of p equal to A multiply p plus b mod 26, okay? A multiply p plus b mod 26, okay? I am not going more detail about the theory. This A number is the first key number 1, and B number is the key number 2, second key. So how many keys? Two keys. P means, you know that one, plain text number, correct? Plain text number, from the table we will get that number. So first key multiplying the plain text number plus the second key. So this is the encryption part, where keys A and B are integers such that f of p is a bijection. Bijection means one-to-one map, one-to-one and on-to map. What is the meaning bijection? You can see from this note. The function f of p equal a plus b mod 26 is a bijection if and only is GCD of the number a and 26 should be 1. First key number and that mode number 26, okay? GCD of a and 26 should be 1. Then only that mapping will be a bijection, 1-1 and on-to mapping, okay? Now this transformation gives extra security because the cipher containing two keys, and it means that two keys need to be broken for getting the communication. Two keys we need to break for getting the communication. Now you can see the decryption part. P value decryption or plain text equal A inverse multiply f of p minus b mod 26, okay? So what is the decryption? A inverse, or we can say A bar. You remember we are studied in the section 4.5 section, all of you remember how to calculate inverse or A bar number or solution number, okay? Same idea. So A bar multiply f of p minus b mod 26, okay? Mod 26, A inverse, that means A number inverse we need to calculate, A inverse, otherwise you can use the notation A bar, both are same, A inverse, or we are using A bar, this symbol, okay? Mostly commonly we are using A bar symbol, so that's what I wrote here. A bar multiply f of p means the ciphertext number minus second key, b means the second key, okay? So keep in our mind A inverse, this means inverse of the number A, not A, inverse of the number A, and b means key number 2, okay? And f of p means the ciphertext number, correct? Ciphertext number. So this is the decryption part in the affine transformation, okay? And A multiply A inverse, A multiply A bar, okay? Should be 1 congruent to 1 mod 26. Okay, we will go to one example so that you will understood more. For example, encrypt the message. Encrypt means we need to calculate what is f of p, okay? Message thank you by using affine transformation. 15 multiply p plus 13 mod 26, okay? And decrypt the same after that. So what are the keys? First you can write, this is the first key, key number 1 or A number. This is the second key, key number 2 or B number. First key we are calling A, second key we are calling B number. So A equal to 15 and B equal to 13. P means the plain text number. For example, thank you. T means what is the letter? 19. One letter I will show here. Later part you can discuss that one. So a number, okay, a number is 15. So 15 multiply p number is 19 plus 13. Okay, I will show one number, all of you carefully see. So 15 multiply 19 plus 13. What number you will get? You will get 298, bigger number, correct? 298 means we need to take mode 26. We need to take mode 26, correct? So shortcut here using is not easy because here it is bigger number. So what you do is mode. We need to calculate the mode. Mode means the remainder. So what you do? 298 divided by 26, as we studied before in 4.2 section. Okay, 298 divided by 26. You can check the calculator. What is that number? 11.46, like this continuing, correct? 46 like this. Now from this write the quotient. What is the remainder? Okay, what is the quotient we are getting? 11.46. So quotient is 11. Now how to calculate remainder? You know, opposite of 11, minus 11, multiply the divisor number 26, correct? So minus 11 multiply 26, you will get number equal to 12. This number we are calling the mode number, remainder number. Okay, so we will write here 12. 12 means the letter O. Okay, so like that all the letters you can convert. So MONAH JPB, that is the encryption part. I hope you understood. Now here one decryption also we will do. Same message we are doing decryption. MONAH JPB. Okay, we need to find what is the plain text. So A number is 15, B number is 13. A inverse number usually giving in the question. You know how to calculate. We are studied in 4.5 section. Okay, so I am just writing here. Refer the section 4.5. Refer the section 4.5 section. Okay, so that you will get what is the A inverse number. So here I am given A inverse. Now, so f of p, m means 12 is the number, O means 14, like all the letters. Now what is the transformation we are studied? Plain text equal A bar or A inverse multiply f of p minus second key B number minus B. What is minus B? Minus 13, mode 26, correct? So we can write A inverse means 7, A bar means 17, A number bar, that means inverse. 7 multiply f of p minus B number is 13, mode 26. Okay, as usual, mode 26. Now for example, one number, first number 12. So what we will write? 7 multiply 12 minus 13. Okay, mode 26. Mode 26. You can check the calculator. What is that number? 7 multiply 12 minus 13. Number is minus 7. Minus 7 means it is negative, correct? We need to change. So mode 26. Now you can use the shortcut or direct way also. If you are using shortcut, this number plus this number, correct? Minus 7 plus 26. You will get 19, correct? 19. So that is the first letter here. 19 means T. Okay, 19 means the number is T. So that you can convert all the letters. You will get thank you, same message, thank you. So for finding inverse, you can refer 4.5 section. See, I did here. You can see already I discussed it here. You can see how to check to find A inverse. Okay, what you need to do? First you need to find GCD of A and 26. GCD of the number, A number and 26 number. That means GCD of the number, what is A here? 15 and 26. So you need to do step by step. Out of this, this is the bigger number. So bigger numbers 26 equal to 1 time 15 plus 11. You remember we are discussed in before section. After that write the linear combination. Okay, linear combination. This part linear combination. Then just take what is the A behind the number. Okay, 15 behind the number 7. So A inverse equal to 7. Okay, A x, you remember A means here 15. whatever the number here, this will be the inverse, a bar number or x number or a bar number. So equal to 7. So that is the a inverse number. So like this you can calculate. Okay. So anyway, now we will go to the practice the questions from this section. So all of you remember the encryption and decryption in the affine cipher. Encryption means A multiply P plus B, correct? A number is the first key, B number is the second key, after that mode 26. Decryption means A bar, correct? A bar multiply f of P value minus B number mode 26, correct? Here only, this number only we need to be careful. It will give in the question, but you need to know how to calculate that one. And a bar, sometimes we are using a bar notation, or we can use a inverse notation, or sometimes x notation. Both, all these three are same. Okay. Solution that we are studied in 4.5 section, how to find the solution of a linear congruence. Okay. So you can refer that section for getting idea of a bar. Okay. Now we will go to the question. One question, first question. Before this one, this message, encryption message, you can see one more example is here, example number 5. Just to see, you can calculate later. One example already we discussed it, same idea we can use here, and you can do this question. Okay, now let's start the exercise. Exercise 4.7, question number 5. Okay, encrypt the message. Encrypt means we need to calculate f of p. So I am writing here f of p. That means cipher text. Here p, plain text. Now again read the question. Encrypt the message Ronaldo. So I can write here R O N A L D O, Ronaldo, by using the function 3p plus 7, f of p, correct? What is the rule? Encryption, f of p equals 3p plus 7 mode 26. Now, what is the first key number? You know, 3p, correct? 3p plus 7. So this is the key number 1, key number 2, A and B. What is the A number? A number is 3 and B number equal to 7. Okay, careful that two number. A number, first key is 3 and second key is 7. Now, we will change into the numbers first. R means 17, O means 14, N means 13, A 0, L 11, D 3 and O is 14. Now use this transformation 3p plus 7. So 3 multiply plain text number is 17 plus 7, correct? Mode 26, of course. So 3 multiplies 17 plus 7. Check your calculator, you will get 58. Correct? Now 58 means we need to take mode. So 58 mode 26. Okay, 58 mode 26. So better to do here we have bigger number. So better to do normal way, 58 divided by 26, like this. Okay, so 58 divided by 26 means the number will be 2.230 something, that number, correct? So what will be the quotient? Quotient means 2 point. What will be the remainder? Check it. Remainder equal to, how we are calculating this number, opposite of the quotient number, so minus 2, multiply divisor number 26, correct? You will get value equal to 6. You can check it, value should be equal to 6. So first remainder 6, so you can write here 6. Okay, now second one 14. Okay, so we need to calculate 3 multiply 14, 3p plus 7. I will show here in the next page, 3p plus 7. So next number is 14. So 3 multiply 14 plus 7. I will calculate first the number. Okay, so that we can do easily. Just correcting. 3 multiply 14 plus 7. 3p plus 7. Okay. So you will get from the calculator 49. Okay. So 49 we need to change 49 mod 26. Correct. So you can divide 49 divided by 26. You will get the number 1.88 like this. Okay. 14. So you can calculate the value. Quotient equal to 1. Check what is the remainder number. Remainder number means opposite of the quotient, minus 1. Multiply 26. Correct. So you will get 23. So this number equal 23. Now next one we will check. Next is n number. So here we got 23. I am writing here. Next is 13. So 3 multiply 13 plus 7. So we will get the number equal 46. Okay. 46 mod 26. This one maybe you can subtract also. 46 minus 26. Correct. You will get 20. Subtract or divide. Okay. Both are okay. No problem. Now the next number. So here 20. 0. Correct. So 3 multiply 0 plus 7. So here no problem. It is 7 only. No need to take mod. So here I can write 7. Next number 11. So 3 multiply 11 plus 7. You will get 40. I will show here. Sorry. So 3 multiply 11 plus 7, that is 40. Mod 26. Small number means, as I told you, you can subtract. So 40 minus 26, subtract. 40 minus 26 means it is 14. So I can write here 14. Now 3 and 14. 14 means 23. Already we calculated here. Here 23. Now 3 we can check it. So 3 multiply 3 plus 7. 9 plus 7. 16. No need to take mod. Correct. Mod 26 no needed. Same number 16. More than 26. 26 or more than only we are taking mod. So 26. Now change the letters into the numbers into the alphabet. Okay. So 6 means G, 23 means X, 20 means U, and 7 means H, 14 means O, 26 means Q, 23 means X. Okay. So this is the encryption part or cipher text, GX, UH, O, QX. Okay. Now we will go to one decryption part question. Decrypt the message. MONAH. Decrypt. Decrypt means what is we need to calculate the plain text. Correct. So P is the question. Plain text equal to. Okay. So we need to calculate the plain text. Cipher text is given. F of P is given. Correct. Cipher text. What is the cipher text? MONAH. Well, now M means what is the letter here? You can change into the numbers. Okay, let's see. M means 12. O means 14. N means 13. A means 0. H means 7. Now, before going to the calculation, you can see decrypt the message, that is the question, that encrypted by the affine transformation using this rule. Encryption did by using this rule, but we don't want encryption, we want decryption. So only check what are the key number. Key number is 15, A. What is the second key number? 13, correct? And given that 15 inverse, 15 means A inverse already given, A bar is equal to 7, correct? 15 inverse, A means 15 inverse is 7, okay? Now we need to write a decryption rule. P rule we need to write, because decryption means P, F of P rule is given. So what is the P rule in affine cipher? You know what is the rule? A bar multiply F of P minus B mod 26, correct? So we will write that rule equals A inverse, what is A bar? 7, 15 inverse 7, F of P means the ciphertext number minus B means 13 mod 26. I hope you understood. That rule we need to write here, okay? So very careful, 7 multiply F of P minus 13 mod 26, okay? So this calculation we need to do separate, okay? Then only we can go to the plain text part, okay? So we will go to that part separately. So first number is 12. I will write in separate page. 7 multiply F of P minus 13. This is the plain text finding affine cipher. So first starting with the number F of P number is 12. So 7 multiply 12 minus 13, correct? 12 minus 13 means minus 1. So minus 7 mod 26. So minus 7 is small number. So you can take this is minus number plus, okay? Minus number means add, plus. Minus 7 plus 26, you will get 19. I hope you understood. That way you can do, or you can do minus 7 divided by 26, usual way, correct? I will show both. So whichever you are feeling easy, you can continue. Minus 7 by 26 means minus 0.269, like this. So what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder, okay? And minus number, when we are doing this number is negative, very careful. So what is the quotient if a number is negative? This number minus 0, subtract 1 after that, so minus 1, okay? What will be the remainder? Opposite of the quotient, plus 1, multiply the divisor number 26, you will get 19, okay? So you can refer 4.2 section, more idea. So 19. Now I am calculating the second one. 7 multiply, what is the second number? 14. So 14 minus 13. 14 minus 13 means 1. So 7. Correct? No need to take the mode. So 7 is the number next. Now 7 multiply, what is the third number? 7 multiply 13. Correct? 13 minus 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. So 7 multiply 0 means 0. No need to go the mode. Now the next number is 0. So 7 multiply 0 minus 13. Correct? 0 minus 13 means minus 13. So minus 91. So we need to take mod 26. No need to use the shortcut because here bigger number. So minus 91 divided by 26. And careful, minus 91 is negative number. That also keep in your mind. So minus 91 divided by 26. What is that number? Is minus 3.5. So what will be the quotient? Quotient equal to minus 3. Correct? Minus 3 minus 1. Okay. Negative means subtract 1 is default. So minus 4. Now check what is the remainder. Opposite of quotient. This number plus 4. Okay. That number plus 4. Multiply the divisor number 26. So what will be the number getting? 13. So this number is 13 here. Hope you understood. Okay, 13. Now lastly, what is the number here? 7. Okay, so I can do that number now. 7 multiply 7 minus 13. You can check the calculator. 7 multiply 7 minus 13. The number is minus 42. Mod 26. Here minus 42 means not bigger number. You can take minus 42 plus 26. Correct? What will be the number getting? You can check. 10. Correct? Minus 42 plus, see what we do here, like this, see, minus 42 plus 26, sorry, minus 42 plus 26, you will get minus 16. Minus 16 again negative number, correct? So what you do? Minus 16 again add 26. So you will get to 10. This is what I wrote there, 10. Or as usual method I told you, minus 42 divided by 26. This is the normal way, better. Bigger number means normal way is better. So what you do? Minus 42 divided by 26. So you will get minus 1.615 like, correct? So what is the quotient? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Because here number is negative, minus 42. Number is negative number. Okay. Now remainder. Remainder means opposite of the quotient number. This number, opposite quotient is plus 2. Multiply divisor number 26. So plus 2 multiply 26. You will get same answer 10. So 10 we are getting. Okay. So I am filling now here. So first letter we got 19. Second number 7. Third one 0. 13 and 10. Now when we are changing to the letters, 19 means T, 7 means H, okay, 0 means A, 13 means N, 10 means K, thank, okay, thank. So that is the plain text representing that transformation. Okay, I hope you understood how to do affine transformation, decryption and encryption part. So totally we are studied 3 cipher. One is the Caesar cipher, and second one is the shift cipher, and the third one is affine, correct? Affine cipher or affine transformation. So all the cases, what are the encryption and decryption? Just to remember, what is f of p here, what is p here, and in shift cipher, what is f of p, what is p, and same in affine cipher, what is f of p and what is p, correct? So for example, Caesar cipher, f of p is p plus 3 mod 26, and here f of p minus 3 mod 26. Now in shift cipher, p plus k mod 26, f of p minus k mod 26. Now lastly affine cipher, a p plus b mod 26, and a bar multiply f of p minus b mod 26. Okay. So this is the idea, this section 4.7. So these two cases, only one key. Here we have two keys, correct? So this is the idea in 4.7 section. I hope you understood all these 3 cipher. Okay, you can practice more question. After this I am uploaded some solved questions from 4.7. If you want more question, you can watch that recorded classes also. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes. Thank you very much.